everyone, how are you all? I'm Neelum Kadyan and you are watching our YouTube channel The Rise of Hopes. So well guys, today we are again here for learning the steps which can be called as the magical steps. I have given you my previous video in which I motivated you for learning English that it's not so difficult that we can't learn English. It's so easy, but need is just to create a will, just to create a desire and just to create confidence in yourself and a burning desire by which we can start that in English in our normal routine. So students, don't hesitate, don't be frustrated that we are not able to speak English. It's not so difficult, it's so easy. And now today I am here again for telling you some of the magical steps by which we can learn easily English, because no one is there to help us. We are alone who can help ourselves. Okay, so you are also the great motivator for yourself and you are the master of yourself. Who is standing in front of you? Who is telling you the ways that how we can improve our communication, our English and our conversation, and how we can feel confidence in our routine life for using English language as it is a foreign language. So students, let's guys start that what are those magical steps. First of all, feel motivated. Prepare yourself for learning these steps. If you are prepared enough, then you can start learning these magical steps. Okay, so guys, the first one, as you can see that this is the title, these are the magical steps and by which we can learn English, because it's not too difficult. Nothing is impossible, nothing is difficult in this life. If you have taken up the task, then nothing is impossible, students. So the first one is that stay positive for doing any task, for doing anything. We need what? The positive mindset. If you are positive always, if you have learned that I have to do something new, I have to innovate something and I have to learn this language, I'm not talking about the language only, it means any task you want to take up, you want to complete in your life which seems very fruitful and productive for you, then stay positive. This is a very necessity. This is the first necessity of the life, that stay positive. Bring positive vibes in your mind that yes, I can do. Who can stop me? There are so many ways to explore yourself, students. So keep yourself motivated, highly motivated by your internal motivation. No one can be a great motivator rather than you. Yourself is the greatest motivator for yourself. So create internal motivation inside you. The second step is that enjoy your learning. Suppose you have started learning language, and which way you have adopted? Suppose you start reading. Suppose you start watching movies in which there are so many dialogues of English language. Suppose you start listening news. Okay, suppose you have started conversation with your peer groups. Then these are the ways by which you can start using English. So enjoy your learning. In what way you are just trying to learn this language, enjoy that way. That is the best way for you. Whatever you have adopted, that is the best way for you. And on that day, how many words you learned, how many pattern you learned, how many words or the sentences you use in your daily life, then by the evening just try to keep them recall in your mind that yes, I have used these words, these pattern and these sentences. Then congratulate yourself. Yes, I have done something. Yes, I have used 5 sentences. Yes, I start communication. At least I initiate. For them, this is the best motivator for you. This is a booster for you, that congratulate yourself. Yes, I can. Then look back at your past. Suppose if any time negativity is coming in your mind, it start coming negativity. No, I can't learn. No, it's difficult. No. Just try to look back at your past, that what you were in your past. Were you able to speak even a single word? No. Were you able to speak even a single sentence? Were you having the confidence to start conversation among the peer group? No. Then look back at your past. Okay, students, that will be again a positivity for you, positive vibes for you, and you will feel connected with yourself. You will feel connected and the motivated with your past and the present, student. Okay, the next one is don't make excuses. Some of the guys They always say that it's not the age to learn, because I have grown up 30 years now, 25 years now, 20 years old now. It's not the time to start. No, for the learners, there is no foundation of the age. At any age, suppose you are too young, suppose you are too old, no age foundation is there which can stop you from learning. Okay, learning can be start at any age. So don't give such excuses that I can't do this. Okay, so remove this line that I can't do this, remove this line, then find your special way of learning. As just 1 minute back I told you that everyone has their way of learning. Some thought that I can learn English by reading newspapers, by reading easiest book, by reading very difficult books, by reading editorials, okay, by using conversation or the some sentences in our communicating way. Okay, some thought that I should watch movies and I should grab those dialogues which are being spoken by the actor or your favorite speaker. Okay, so try to adopt your way of learning which is special for you, in which you feel comfortable, because your comfortability is the most important for learning anything. Then next one is the use your words. Use your words. Actually students, there are so many ways by which you can express yourself. Normally we feel that we are not getting that accent, we are not getting that much level of speaking English which we want. No need to feel frustrated on this point. Okay, you are the master of your own mind, you are the master of your own thoughts and the views. Okay, just you have to choose that in which way you want to speak. There are so many types of English. Okay, in the next point you can start, you can see that there are so many types of English, like American English, like British English, like South African English. So it's no need to follow any other foreigner accent. Just try to find your own accent, because we have brought up in that environment. Automatically our accent will be influenced by our native language. Then what's the need to remove it? No need. First of all, with the starting you have to use your accent. Stay connected with your culture. If okay, there is this accent which is coming in your way when you start speaking English language, then no need to remove it. Just initiate with that. Automatically, slowly you will get that level also where you can use fluent English. But there is the difference. You have to get the knowledge of the different expressions. Suppose use your words. If you are feeling comfortable with the elevator, okay, this is US word. Okay, so use elevator. If you feel that you are feeling comfortable in the lift. Okay, lift and the elevator both are the same things. But if you are feeling comfortable with the lift, because it is British style of English, it is a British word. So okay, feel comfortable, use whatever you want to use, but you just have to check both the things that these are the accurate one. Okay, next, feel comfortable. First of all, wherever you want to use English, then feel comfortable. Okay, don't think that what the other people will think about me if I'll start speaking English. They will look in a different way at me. Don't feel just like that. You are the master of yourself. You have to use your own way. You can start your life at any step, at any stage. Okay, so no need to think about the others. If you will think about the others, you can never initiate. Okay, for the beginning you have to feel comfortable. Yes, I am comfortable with these words, I am comfortable with these sentences, I am comfortable with these people and my peer groups. The next one is gather your thoughts. Start thinking in your way. Suppose whatever we are using in my day, in our daily routine, those words, those sentences you need to translate in your mind and then try to use those in your routine life. Okay, so this is the thing, that gather your thoughts. What are your ideas, what are your thoughts on any situation, any circumstance, then try to convert them in English and then try to speak. Whether you are alone in front of the mirror, or where you feel comfortable with your peer group students. Okay, the next one is start conversation in English. When you have your own thoughts, if you have chosen the way that which is the best for you, then you should start now. And start with what? Start conversation with those people who are well-wisher of yourself. Because if you will start with those people who are really very learned man, but sometime it happens that they feel very egoist. Okay, so first of all, identify those people with whom you can start conversation. You can start with your teacher, you can start with your parents, with your sister, with your brother, with your siblings, or with your peer group, your friends who always try to motivate you for learning. Okay students, then explore different ways of expression. If you feel that yes, now I can use some of the expression, you will feel that I start exploring myself. Then another way for increasing your vocab, for increasing your communication level, what do you need to do? Explore the different ways. Suppose if I am saying someone has helped me, then I will say thank you. This is the one expression. Thank you so much. Next expression, so nice of you. Next expression, oh, you are so great. Oh yeah, I'm so grateful to you. I'm obliged with your gratitude. Okay, these are the expressions, students. One way, one thing, one sentence we can express or explore in the different ways. So try to explore different ways for the one sentence. So there are so many words you can use at one situation. Okay, then try to explore the different expression. Don't get distracted. Sometimes you feel you are studying and you start, or you are just trying to explore yourself. You are just standing in front of the mirror and you are watching the TV, or you are listening music, or you are listening you are listening those English conversation, or some listening practice. Then what do you need to do? Don't get distracted. Don't stare outside the window. Just stay connected with your study. Whatever you are doing, you have to focus your mind there. Okay, so don't get distracted, student, and then don't give up. The most significant thing, and sometimes you will feel that whatever level I want to achieve, I'm not achieving that, but it's not too late. Okay, so the main thing is that you are not ready to give up. Don't think to give up. आपको छोड़ना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. आपको ये कभी कभी हमें फील होता है that I'm making efforts so hard, but still I'm not getting that much which I required, which I was expecting. No. At least congratulate yourself that before, in the past, I was not able to speak 10 words, but now I can use 10 sentences. So this is a motivation for you. So don't give up. Always boost up yourself with your own words, with your own sentences, with your own actions, students. Then find comfortable and the peaceful place for you. Whenever, as I told you that there are special ways of learning. Wherever you feel comfortable, with whom you are feeling comfortable, you are feeling comfortable alone, you are comfortable with your friends, you are comfortable with your parents, or any other in the world. So many persons are there in the world with which we can share our emotions, we can share our thoughts, and we may feel comfortable. So you have to choose that, the place, the persons you have to choose for starting your speaking. Okay students, the next one is the build confidence. This is the most significant, this is the greatest thing which we need for learning anything. It's not about the English language only, it's for anything, whatever you want to learn. Feel confident first. You should be confident enough, only then feel motivated, stay connected with yourself, build confidence in yourself. Sometime if you are feeling that, oh, I'm not comfortable to speak here, okay, some of the people who are speaking very fluently, then you feel that I have to keep myself backside. No, bring yourself at the front foot. Okay, feel confident. For that you may take two long breath, and then feel relaxed, and then boost up yourself. Yes, why I can't do, I also can do. So build confidence in yourself, guys, and that is the best part. So these are some of the magical steps for learning English, how we can start, how we can initiate, how we can start speaking English language or anything. Okay students, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, share with your other friends, also with your other relatives, so that they can also get motivated by these. Okay, so there is the need to take anything seriously in the life for learning. Okay guys, good luck. We will meet again in the next video. Subscribe our channel and stay connected with us. Good luck.